Hey guys, this is Alan Cubing, and I will show you how to solve a 3x3. Okay? So, if this helps you, please leave a like and subscribe. And, yeah. Let me quickly move my chair closer. So, okay. Face the yellow side, okay? And, so what you want to basically do is, see this? You want to get this, and then make what you call the daisy. So it doesn't have to be lined up, but just keep doing it and you can just move around, see about that. I could do that, and multiple ways to do it, but it's pretty simple on how to do that. Then, so yeah, after you have the daisy, you want to look at one of these sides, okay? So, with that, you want to move the top until these two line up. Then after that, you want to 1, 2, and then there. And remember, this is for the white cross step. Then 1, 2. Okay? Give you a second. Okay. Then we got that. Now time for the white corners, okay? This took me a while to learn on, but, okay. So, how would I get that? So guys, at first you guys want to, if you have any, I'll show you problems. If you have one right here, you want to do, okay? Pretty simple. Then down. Okay, let's do it again. Up, down. And then there, you have it right there. If one is right here, you just want to do that. Pretty simple. Oh, and I forgot to show you. So what these are two moves that you need that are very important. You go that way. And then, if you keep doing it a lot of times, those are called the right hand moves. So, those are the right and then left. Okay, pretty simple. And remember, oh yeah, see, I have one right here. Boom. Now it's up there. So again, this, see what two colors are on that side? Okay. So this side, the one that is on, like that you can see and it's not on the yellow side, that is your main focus point. So then you need to just keep moving the top until this kind of looks like a diamond sword in Minecraft. And then that, and that. And then, after you have those, left hand moves. And then, see, mine's like this. This one would be left. Okay? And then you just keep doing it until your thing is like this. Okay? Then, what you need to do next is up here, we are going to do the second layer. Okay. Okay. Find a piece that has no yellow on it on this side, and then whatever is on the top, okay, you need to just keep turning that until this matches up with that. And then, what color is that? Blue. So turn to the blue side, and then what's the opposite of the left? It's right. So we would do, okay, right hand move. So, and then after that, you'll see here, be out of that position. What you will need to do here is the opposite of the moves you just did. In my case, it's that. Pretty simple. Okay. I have this case. This is where, see, this could just be in that position. But what you want to do is find mainly a yellow, and then it doesn't matter what side you do it from, just how you inserted that there. Just insert this piece there. So here is here, doesn't really matter. So left hand moves. And then right. And then see, this is up here. So what you want to do, remember? And then, this here. See? Then, one more, right? Okay. You got that. Okay. Now, wait. Okay. Darn it. Okay, perfect. So, no matter what, now we are going to do the yellow cross. So how to do this is just on the yellow, turn the face, this front. And then you want to do those right hand moves I showed you earlier in the video. And then turn. Now, just, do you see this? You want to turn it until it's in this corner, and you see that these don't matter. Then you want to turn the face again, and then right hand moves. Okay? You don't really have to turn the face down, but you can. And then do it again. I got lucky here. Okay. So now we are going to get what I call kind of the castle step. Okay? And remember, you already have the cross. And okay. So what you are trying to do is get this, but on every side. So what you're going to do at this point is just make sure it's this side here. Go up, down, look up. And then just put it all back in one motion. I'll show you again. Okay, up, that way, down, one more until it's back here, and then, up. Sometimes it takes a while. So if you're like, this is kind of what I do. When it takes a while and I keep doing that algorithm, sometimes I just change it, but what I usually do is when these is like that, can't be like this, I just do it on that side. Okay? And if you want a better full thing, I recommend watching J-Perm, because I'm new to, this is all keeping stuff. So really, just keep repeating that until okay. I will see you when I got it done. Gosh, this is hard. Okay, now we're back. Took a while, but gosh, why do I keep getting so lucky? Okay, so now the corners. So find a match corner. This could go here. This could go here, and this could go here. Or if you don't have any, just do these out. Just do these moves. But make sure it's on your right. So I had one here. Right. So what you want to do at this point is just watch my hands. Okay? If I went too fast, here it is again. That, 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 and that, and that. And then after you keep doing that a few times, this could go here, this could go here, and this could go here. And then now you see what I mean. So now, final step, solve the cube. So I already have a corner in there. Just turn to one where it doesn't, okay? So, what you want to do basically here, okay, ready? Watch this carefully or else this could ruin your whole cube. Okay? 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 That's really all you need, so. And then I got this and that. So don't turn your cube there. Turn the face. And then you want to do that algorithm again. And then until it's like that. Then turn the face and just and then finale. Solve the cube. So So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Just in case if you guys wanted to learn how to solve a cube, you could be one of the 8% of people in the world who can solve this. Okay? So if you guys found this video helpful, please think about dropping a like and subscribe. And leave a comment if you have any questions or something I missed. And then I will reply, okay? That's really all for this video. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And see if this worked out. Okay? See ya. Bye.